Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Focus, guys. And if you have a Ford Focus that says on the inside on the dash, guys, hood open, okay, that your hood is open when it's actually closed, stay with us. We will show you what needs to be done to fix that and what is causing that. Now, quick introduction, guys. We have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need any parts or tools, guys, usually we share the links of the parts and tools that we use in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, for your convenience. Now, let me show you, I'll demonstrate how this Ford Focus, guys, okay, even though the hood is closed all the way, okay, all the way, you can see, you cannot pull it. It says hood open when I start the car, okay, and this is, guys, super annoying. So let me show you how we are going to fix that one now. Okay, we are inside. I'm going to go ahead, start the car. Okay, and the first message, low tire pressure, hood open, guys. Okay, let me go back to the messages again. Okay, information, that's for my keys, system check, low tire and hood open, guys. So as you can see, something's wrong there. So let me, guys, turn the car off. What we are going to do, we're going to go ahead, open the hood of the car now. Okay, right here, OBD right there, and I'll show you what needs to be fixed now. So once you open the hood of your Ford Focus, guys, okay, you're going to see your hood latch will be on the inside, okay, right here. And now let me explain how that thing works. When you guys close the hood, okay, when you close it, it's going to push that thing down, okay, and right here there is a micro switch. That little bitty micro switch, guys, opens and closes. That's the one that detects if the hood is open or closed. So always inspect that wire, okay, pull it out, check it to make sure it's not corroded, something, clean it, reinsert it a couple of times, shake it a little bit, okay, and inspect that switch. If that switch is bad, guys, it may look okay, but it may not be working. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test those micro switches. Your hood, guys, will detect, the car will detect that the hood is open when it's actually closed. And the only way, okay, to fix that now, as you can see, that micro switch is almost impossible, guys, to replace here. I mean, if you have a parts car, you can do it, but most of the times they do not sell them. You have to buy the whole hood latch. In our case, guys, we have to buy the whole hood latch, and we have the video on the channel how to replace it from start to finish. And the link, guys, you can find it in the description of the video below for the part, if you need to buy the part. So we'll go ahead, replace ours, guys, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. In today's video, we want to see if that will fix the problem. Otherwise, guys, if you want to see the replacement, we have the video on the channel as well. So, closing the hood, okay, closed all the way. I'm going inside now. Okay, let's start the car and we'll see if that message will stay there now. And as you can see, low tire pressure, let's clear that. Nothing. So I'll go back to system check, low tire pressure. That's the only message that we have. So, as you can see, guys, that definitely fixed our problem. We needed, guys, to replace the hood latch. So, hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.